Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add events on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and here you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center, you're going to find a list that includes all of your website that you created before. So right now I'm going to go to the site I want to edit. For example, I'm going to go to this one. So just go to the site, hover your mouse over it, and then click on select and edit site. After that, your dashboard will be loading, and this is how it will look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And then if you go to the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then this will take you to this page right here, which is gonna be the editor for Wix. So just wait for this page to load, and then this is how it will look like. So basically guys, once you're here in the editor, right here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these tools that will help you guys to customize your Wix site. So here, for example, we're gonna find the option to add elements. Right here, you can add sections. Here, you're gonna find your pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So right now, go ahead and click on add apps. And then you're gonna be right here in the Wix App Store. Once you're here, go to the search bar and search for events. After that, go ahead and hit enter. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of these applications that are related to events and will help you to organize and set up your events. So right now, for example, I'm going to choose this one, display and sell tickets to events on your site. So right now, I'm going to click on this application. And then once you're here in the apps page, go ahead and click on add to site. Then click on agree and add and wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. So once it's added, you can add your events and mark them right here on the calendar. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.